Are you getting ready to go on vacation? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Zoe and I'm a board certified family medicine doctor who sees patients of all ages. I'm a mom and a world traveler, and today I'm going to share my top 6 tips for staying healthy when traveling. Number 1, drink lots of water. It may seem obvious, but traveling changes our routine and we often have a different pattern, such as drinking more alcohol than normal or spending more time in the sun, which can lead to dehydration. So I never leave home without my reusable water bottle. Whether you're cruising, flying, or just exploring locally, keeping yourself hydrated is a must since water helps to flush out toxins from our body. If you're flying, remember that many airports these days have water bottle refill stations, often located near the bathrooms. So after going through security, stop and fill up your water bottle. Also, packing travel size liquid IV or electrolyte replacement packets can be helpful as well. Number 2, sleep. Jet lag due to changing time zones, long haul flights, or long days spent on the road during a road trip can cause your circadian rhythm to flux, which can weaken your immune system. So here are a few things I pack to keep my sleep in check. Number 1, earplugs, because you never know if you'll have some noisy neighbors. Number 2, an eye mask, great for use on the plane or in a hotel where the curtains don't quite completely block out all of the light. Number 3, melatonin. While it may not always help to keep you asleep, it can help you to fall asleep initially. You could even try Benadryl or another drowsy antihistamine. And number 4, use a prayer or meditation app on your phone. This can serve as white noise and even help quiet the mind in an unfamiliar environment. All right, guys, number 3 is a big one, and it's diet. No, not going on a diet, but what we eat. Most people don't know that gut health is a huge part of maintaining a healthy immune system, since about 80% of your immune system lives in your gut, so sticking to a healthy diet is crucial. So don't skimp on the fruits and veggies when traveling. Pack snacks, dried fruits, oats, nuts, or even protein bars are a great road trip snack or even in-flight snack. They help to keep things moving and prevent bloating or the temptation to grab an unhealthy treat. Number 4, supplements. While there's not a ton of evidence-based data to support the use of supplements, they are not likely to cause any harm. And since traveling often puts us out of our normal routine, as we may be eating on the go or even have limited access to prepping and cooking our own meals, supplements such as multivitamins, collagen powder, probiotics can help support a healthy immune system. Number 5, movement. Now, let's be realistic. We can't always keep up our normal workout routine when we're on the go, but working out also helps to combat jet lag. So plan ahead. Think about what you'll have access to at your destination. Will you have access to a gym at your hotel or on a cruise ship? Or maybe you're staying with family or at an Airbnb where you might not have access to gym equipment. If so, pack your walking shoes and plan for walks outside or even along the beach or take a hike in the mountains. Just be sure to move your body and do the things you enjoy most. On our cruises, we make sure to hit up the gym first thing in the morning to get our day started right. And if we're in an area where we don't have access to gym equipment, we take advantage of the world around us. If we've got a pool, we'll swim some laps. If we're in nature, we'll take a hike. On our recent trip to California, we headed out to Muir Woods and did some hiking. It was both beautiful, relaxing, and gave us great exercise. It was an easy way for us to get in our steps. And number 6, hygiene. You never know if you'll have access to soap and water, so I never leave home without hand sanitizing wipes or hand sanitizer, either in spray or gel form, disinfecting wipes, and Lysol spray. I make sure to wipe down the airplane seats, the tray tables, our cruise cabin, our hotel rooms, or even our rental cars. And if you want to see how I organize all of this stuff when traveling, check out my What's in My Carry-On Bag video. I'll link it here. And if all else fails and you end up getting sick while traveling, make sure you are prepared. So check out my Ultimate Travel Medicine Kit. I'll leave the link in the description box below. Until next time, travel safe.